Y'all, I haven't been back on here in so long. I don't even know what to say. Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Isaiah here. Y'all, I don't know what to say. I have not posted since like March. I'm gonna have to start getting back to posting frequently. Bear with me. I'm a little rusty, okay? Shut up. Anyways, so for this video, y'all are gonna be spending the day with me. I have no classes, so I really don't have really much to do. But it's the thought that counts. Shut up. Anyways, before before we get started, if you have not watched my last video, that will be in the link in the description below. Also, my social media platforms that you guys can stay in contact with me. Don't even worry about what I just said. I just know I said it really fun. So without further ado, let's get started. Really don't have much to do today because I don't have classes because today is Tuesday. Tuesdays and Thursdays I don't have classes at all. So yeah. What's the great say? So I think what I'm gonna do first, it is currently like 1 something in the afternoon. Let me see. It is... Hello? Oh, that's my watch is dead. So, I don't know what time it is. Let's see. It is currently 1:11. Okay. Like I said, I don't have classes, so I'm probably going to get in the shower, put some clothes on, and then we're going to go from there. Okay? So yeah, let me just shower, clothes on, come back, and yeah. Alright you guys, I'm back. I've got my clothes on. Please don't mind the band-aid on my nose. I did cut myself like a few minutes ago, so it started bleeding. But yeah, so I'm back. I think I'm going to make my bed up. And yeah. Also, I like to go in with some Febreze, because you know, I can't have my day tonight. That's just good. Oh my god. Oh, that's my t-shirt. Y'all, don't worry. Just a t-shirt. Shut up.
Don't let them tell you any different. Yeah. They don't know about us. They don't know about it. I owe it all to you. Yeah. They don't know about us. They don't know about it. As much as I messed up, always give me your best love. Yeah. They don't know about us. They don't know about it. Sometimes I wonder what I did to deserve you. Yeah. They don't know about us. They don't know. They gon' talk about it. Gon' try to change your mind about it. Gon' tell you things you don't wanna hear, but we good. So when they talk about it, just let them know we already got it. Just tell them that we gon' work at it, we good. Don't worry about it. Don't think they know that you say so. Don't think they know. Don't think they know. Don't think they know that you say so. Don't think they know.
Let me just bring y'all over here. So now we are at my dresser area where my tables and shit are. I didn't clean this mirror. I wish he bought some more paper towels. I'm just straightening up my bracelets and shit.
Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about how you live.
Bad. Okay, so this is my desk. My toiletries, school stuff, mirror, glasses and shit. And I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see them, but behind the like right here, those are my bracelets. So yeah. I didn't put a necklace on because y'all know I I don't go anywhere without one. And I need to order some more because I barely have any. Y'all, I got enough. Or do I? No, I don't want to do that one. I think I'm going to go with my eye. I don't even know when I got this. I just know I got it this year. Oh, shit. What else? Am I going to throw another? I think this is good. Y'all think? What do we think? Because normally I'll like put it on with so this is the Pisces constellation. I don't know if y'all can see it. I normally would throw that one on, or because y'all, I really do have like so many. Oh shit, tangled. So, but this is I don't know if y'all can see it. It says Pisces. You know, the biggest, and don't forget the realest. Or I could go on with this one, but honestly, we're just gonna kick it with this one. It's fine. One day I might just have to do like a bracelet tour because when I tell y'all I really have so many, I really do have so many. But yeah, so it's pretty much all I can think of. I don't know. Ooh, I could go get me something to eat. Do I want to do that? But my nose hurt like really bad. Also, as y'all can see, I did get my nose pierced. So, but yeah, I don't know what else to do. I don't know. I'll come back when I think of something. So, I know I said that this video would probably be a spin the day with me, but I don't feel like it because this vlogging all day. I ain't got time for it. So I think I'm gonna just do like a little life update video. So life update. I don't really know what else to tell y'all besides that I'm in college. I do attend George Mason University. Off scholarships and stuff like that. What else? So far, I'm not gonna say I've had the best college experience, but it's definitely not bad, if you will. I found, a nice little friend group. We hang out literally every day. Literally every day. Oh, excuse me. I was gonna say I damn near go home every weekend, but I don't. I would say the first time that I went home from being on campus, mind you, I moved in on campus on the 22nd of August. I didn't leave campus to go home until September 11th. So that's about 3 weeks that I stayed on campus without going home. Literally everybody else that I know or that I'm friends with has gone home more than once. And then the last time that I went home, I just recently came back on the, what day did I come back? I know it was last Friday. I just don't know what day that was. The 27th. Yeah, I came home 27th of September. So I think now I'm going to stay until about the 11th. For real, I don't know. I might leave early. If I do, it's probably like early in the morning or some shit. I don't know. I think the last time I posted a video, I don't know if I remember saying if I was single or not, but that ship has officially sailed. I'm locked in now. Yep, I'm locked in. I'll have to give y'all like a detailed video on that later. I really don't want to say too much because I really don't want to put my business out there. But for y'all that know, and for y'all that follow me on my social media accounts, y'all know exactly who I'm talking about. Because he knows who I'm talking about. Thank you. Back to the college. Like I said, it was really not the best, but it's not the worst. I'm thinking about transferring. I'm not sure yet. I would say it depends on how this first year goes. Cause for real, I'm not gonna lie. I really didn't have any interest when applying to like my college. When doing college applications, I really didn't think about going to PWIs, which is predominantly white institution. If y'all know, I more so was focused on like HBCUs, black colleges, stuff like that. But the only reason why I came here is because really the HBCUs that I applied to, they really wasn't giving me money. Cause if we being honest, HBCUs like they're good schools to like learn about your culture and your background and stuff like that. But they don't have money. Like they don't have money. They really don't. What else was I gonna say? So it's like I only came here because the school was giving me money, and then plus I got a full ride. And then I guess I don't know what's going on, but they're saying that I didn't do 2 scholarships, so that possibly means I'm going to have to pay, I think, an additional $10,000, which I'm not. So I don't give a that. I already got this number for me. Okay. I would say, I don't know. Oh, I dyed my hair. I'm pretty sure y'all can see it in the light, but whatever. I've literally been dyeing my hair since like June. I dyed it twice in June. Well, no, I dyed it twice in June. One was for prom. The other one was for graduation, and I basically just lightened up the color. So then my hair turned back to its original color. It's not black, but it's some type of like really, 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 really dark brown. I can say that. Then I recently just dyed it last week. I need another haircut. I can tell you that. Well, probably a little shape up, but I don't know. But yeah, so I don't know. What else y'all want to hear? If I'm being honest, for I can tell you now, I'm not gonna lie. I really wish I went to a college that was like closer to home because, I mean, it's nothing. Because I'm not gonna say I live far because I only live like 40 minutes away, but that's by car. If I take like metro and shit like that, that's like 2 hours. And that's because I gotta get on from here, from the campus to the train station. The nearest train station is Vienna, and that's like I want to say it's like maybe like a 45-minute ride because it's like you gotta leave out Fairfax. Vienna and Fairfax are 2 different things, 2 different places in Virginia. So yeah. Another thing, they got me in the middle of nowhere. All my friends are literally on the other side of campus. I'm in the back. I mean, it's nothing wrong with that, but it's like walks be long as bro, for real. And then it's like all my classes are on their side of campus. Like I cannot make this up. The only thing I would say that's really good about where I am, the dining hall is like a 3-minute walk from here. That's really the only thing I can say. Other than that, I really do hate it over here. But I mean, it's cool. I mean, it does get quiet at night, I guess. But yeah. I need a job. I can say that because being broke that's not cute at all. That's not. But yeah, I guess video over. I don't know. Ouch. What was I gonna say? So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you have not watched my last video, the link for that will be in the description below. Also in my social media platforms that will use guys not to stay in contact with me. I love you all. I'm about to heat me up some food and watch a little something. because I'm bored. So yeah. Alright, bye.